purpose of Gardening 101 today is to help area gardeners grow more and grow better. That is also the mission statement of a powerful and influential organization that every gardener here in North Texas needs to get to know. So let's get you up to speed. Jeff Ray to share the knowledge.
Look what I saved just this morning.
It is Thursday, and the Tarrant County Master Garden Association is teaching composting at their building next to their demonstration garden in South Fort Worth.
Hopefully, we can inspire you guys to start composting. I know composting, sometimes people are like, that sounds boring. I don't know if I want to compost.
Today's crowd is a class from Tarrant Community College, but Loretta Bailey has presented this class and others like it to all kinds of groups since becoming a master gardener 5 years ago. Teaching is the mission.
We'll do a lot of composting classes, water conservation, rainwater harvesting, you name it. We are constantly trying to get out there and educate the public.
Tarrant County started their Master Garden program in the 80s with over 400 members. Not all of them teach, but all of them volunteer to help gardeners across the county.
They are the education arm of Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Services for the horticulture department. So their goal is to go out and be able to reach more people than just I myself can.
On the Tarrant County Master Gardener Association website, you can find the list of topics these 400-plus volunteers are ready to talk about. The list is staggering. It is an army sharing the gardening gospel.
Our Master Gardeners, they have the most up-to-date research-based information that comes not only from Texas A&M, but throughout the United States.
Today's compost class ends with a field demonstration.
This we'll avoid putting in there because it will take too long.
Yeah.
The gift of knowledge, sometimes the gift of a new path.
I feel ashamed because I throw away a lot. I need to compost, and I'm realizing that now, and that's something I think I'll look into.
Turning the world more green, one student at a time. Teaching a Gardening 101 all the time. Jeff Ray, Fort Worth.
You too can become a master gardener if you'd like. The program is run through the AgriLife office in your county. If you have a question about your garden, we got a lot of information. Head over to the website, cbsdfw.com. If you click on the weather page, you'll find the Gardening 101 link. Jeff's got all kinds of great information there for you. Also, you can throw a question there. Jeff will try to find you an answer.